What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's your girl Mia. I'm back with another video. Hey man, I'm at Springfield actually right now. I had to come get a chassis lube. I'm not really sure what that even is, but the truck told me that I needed it. So with that being said, even though I'm a few thousand miles late on getting it because it been told me that, but I finally got here so I can get it done. Yeah, so we're in Springfield right now. I'm gonna get the chassis lube. If you saw my last vlog, I bought a TV for the truck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if you know, they can hook the TV up for me. They can mount it up in the truck. Yeah, so right now I'm just chilling. I got some clothes in the laundry. Getting that done. And probably after I get those two things done, for the most part, I don't have anything else really to do here. So I'm gonna probably try to get a load on out of here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to sit for too long. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep things rolling. You gotta keep them wheels rolling. But yeah, so I'm here at Springfield. I'm finna go in here, check on my clothes, and then I'm finna go get me some food. I'm a little hungry. I ain't ate breakfast. I'm not sure what time it is, but I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. All right. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm at Walmart right now. I'm waiting on the shuttle to come back to scoop me so I can go back to the truck. I got the truck over there waiting in line to get this Cassius lube that I gotta get done. I don't even know what that is once again, but like I said, the truck said it needed to be done, so it's gonna get done. So I ran over here, took the shuttle to Walmart. I had to come buy a TV mount, you know, so they can mount my TV. They're gonna try to get me in around 6:30. So hopefully they can get me in to get this Cassius lube done before 6:30. It's like two people in front of me. Yeah, it's like two people in front of me, so hopefully it don't take them too long to get it done, and they can get that done before it's time for me to get the TV mounted, because he was trying to get me in at 12:30 tonight. Now I could have probably did that, but I kind of was hoping that I'll have a load by then so I could try to head out by tonight. So 12:30 tonight really wasn't a good time to try to do that. I really wasn't trying to wait that long. At the latest, if anything, I want to be leaving by 12:30. You know what I'm saying? So definitely gonna be doing some night driving once again. But it is what it is. So also bought me like a little mini broom so I could sweep out a little bit. Just do some cleaning, stuff like that. Nothing too major, but my phone is finna die. So with that being said, I'm gonna get to y'all again when I get back to the truck. I can plug my phone up and charge it, and then I'm gonna get back and update y'all on what's going on. So I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. All right. What's up, y'all? I'm back. My appointment was at 6:30. It's like 2 minutes still, so I'm gonna pull around here and they're gonna get me in. Right now I'm driving slow because I don't want to start my clock. So creeping on around here. I'm creeping, but I'm gonna make it. But yeah, so I bought the TV now. I cleaned the truck up a little bit, just, you know, swept it out a little bit. And I bought some stuff to clean the tops, and wipe the steering wheel down, and, you know, the dashboard type stuff. I did all of that. You know, just did a little cleaning. So yeah, he tried. I came up here. I don't know if I had said it already, but I came up here. He wanted me to come and do it at 12:30 tonight. I didn't want to do that. Oh, I didn't know if I would be gone already at 12:30. So he moved it to 6:30. So I'm going now. I'm just waiting. I guess they. I think this is the one he said. Is this what he said, though? Yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. And hopefully, I think he told me to come right here. I hope this is where he told me to go. But yeah, y'all. So I'm going to. Oh, I gotta make some food too, cause I'm hungry again. But I scrapped it anyway because I don't know how long this is going to take for them to do this. Probably won't take them too long. But yeah, this is where we at. They got me sitting right here. I hope this is where I'm supposed to be. Ain't nobody opening up the garage door. Let me just give it another second. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to figure out where I'm supposed to be going, and then I'm going to get back to you guys in a second. All right? Peace. So y'all, with the quickness, I got it. Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you good.
Alrighty. Other than that, you are good to go.
Alright, thanks. So guys, we have a TV. It only took them like 10 minutes to put up. Not long process at all. But yeah, that's the finishing touches. Now I have a TV in here, y'all. So right now, I am fixing to go eat. Because I'm hungry and I'm finna get out of their way, get out of their little garage right here. But yeah, this is the TV, y'all. I like it. I like it. I think it's the perfect size. I know other people that have like huge TVs, like 50, 55 inches, but I'm like, why you need a TV that big? But anyway, I like this. I think it's a perfect size. But yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in a second. What's up, y'all? Hey, I'm back. Want to end this video off real quick. Gonna head to my next drop off. I already got my load. I picked it up here. Right now I'm getting a truck wash. That's what you see in the background right there. It's been filthy for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I cleaned the inside out. Got my TV up. You know what I'm saying? far, truck's been good. I really haven't had to do too much to it. You know, it is a brand new truck. I am the first owner, so it's not really much I had to do to it. Everything's been fine. I had to come up here to get a chassis lube. I still don't even know what that is. I didn't even ask what it was. But they did that. And as far as like maintenance wise, I haven't had to get anything done. You know what I'm saying, or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm at 54,000 miles now. Let's see, I got this truck in June, I think, and it's December. So we've been riding, I guess. But anyway, y'all, if you haven't already, like, share, comment, subscribe to this video, hit that like button.